You now know what the focus of your paper will be and also to which journal you would like to submit your paper. It's now time to build an outline or a structure for this paper. Have a look at the website Equator Network and then download the reporting guidelines for your type of study. There's various reporting guidelines for each of the study designs, and it's a good idea to use these reporting guidelines and create temporary subheadings. Now, the journal's guidelines for authors will show you whether you need a lot of subheadings or specific subheadings, or maybe they'll be not specific at all with regards to subheadings. Whatever the journal guidelines says, create temporary subheadings so that you know what information to put where, and so that there's better flow in your article and to make sure that you have covered the most important items. When you go onto the Equator Network website, this is what you'll find. You'll find a list of study designs with the reporting guidelines for the main study types. So you have done an observational study and you click on the strobe guidelines. You will then be taken to this page and say you've done a cross-sectional study, then download the Word document or the checklist for cross-sectional studies. This is what the strobe statement, a checklist of items that should be included in reports of cross-sectional studies, looks like. You can use each of these checklist items as a subheading, whether temporary or permanent, to ensure that you include all the relevant information into your paper. This is an example of the qualitative research checklist. You will see that each of these checklist items can also be used as temporary subheadings when you put your paper together. Be mindful of the fact that there are many different study designs and that each study design has got its own unique checklist. Use these checklists to put your outline or skeleton or structure of your paper together, as that will make it easier to fill the gaps as you're working on your paper.